po jako akawuwo.
Because all the clearances are done before these facilities. So any accommodation, any form of trade after here.
Nga government ya Uganda ekyagenda maaso n'okuzimba ekitebe awagenda okusololezebwanga emisolo ku nsalo eyawula Uganda n'eggwanga lya Democratic Republic of Congo ekyampondwe one stop border esuubiza nga bwegenda okulirira abantu bonna abaliraanye ekitebe kino olw'ensonga nti ddembe lyabwe ng'abantu.
And there is a need to compensate for government, particularly customs, to compensate for the land and facilities that are on that. So it is still remaining pending in that, and it is an issue which customs is trying to think about to handle.
Gasinzira ku mulanga ogutakungula oguludde nga gukubwa abakulembeze mu tawuni kanso y'Empondwe, Minisita Omubezi avunaanyizibwa ku by'entambula Honorable Fred Byamukama akakasizza nga gavumenti bw'eri neefuteefuteefu okulirira abo bonna abaliraanye ekifo kino singa ebizimbe byabwe binaaba biggiddwawo olw'okugaziya ekifo kino okusobozesa ekitongole ekiwoozi ky'emisolo ki Uganda Revenue Authority okukola obulungi omulimu gwakyo.
We know we shall have time to compensate those people so that we get to that space. We don't expect anyone to be ahead of these facilities because all the clearances are done before these facilities. So any accommodation, any form of trade after here shouldn't be there so that to have the things going smoothly.
Minisita Byamukama anenyezza abantu abenyigira mu kukusa ebyamaguzi okuyisa ku nsalo ez'enjawulo okwetooloola eggwanga wasinzidde okusaba abasuubuzi okujjumbira okuwa emisolo okusobola okwanguyirwa emirimu gyabwe.
Because our country must get revenue. Let us stop using the porous borders. Let us stop smuggling of goods. It is for our own benefit when we engage URA, use URA to guide us on how to do export and imports. Even Tanzania, even Kenya, people will be coming here directly. Even we shall receive big aircrafts here. Instead of someone landing in Entebbe, again gets a small aircraft to come to Kasese, people will be coming in directly here.
Meya wa Tawuni Kanso y'Empondwe Sylvester Mapozi asimye gavumenti olw'omulimu guno gwagambye nti guwemmense obuwumbi n'obuwumbi bw'ensimbi ate nga gugenda kuyamba nnyo bannayuganda n'okusingira ddala abasuubuzi.
Equally, on the side of the market, there are those ones who are below the market. And the plan for the one-stop border point is that people should come from Congo, enter into the one-stop border point, from the one-stop border point to the market without getting interrupted by anything. There is a fear that people may be smuggling their items, bring them into those houses, and that's why there is a need for compensating.
Minisita Byamukama alambudde emirimu egy'enjawulo egigenda maaso n'okukolebwa mu disitulikiti eno y'e Kasese gy'agambye nti oluvannyuma lw'okuggyibwako engalo gya kugonza nnyo ebyentambula mu kitundu kino ate n'okutumbula ebyenfuna by'eggwanga.
We appreciate the people of here. You have seen the mayor appreciating, and the government is bringing more projects in this place. You have seen the market, big as it is. All that one will give jobs to the youth in this place. So the people of this place, I encourage you to keep on supporting NRM, because if it wasn't the government of NRM, these facilities could have gone to very many places. There are many areas who are in need of. Automatically, as East Africa, we shall benefit a lot. We shall use less time.
Robert Kule yakusakidde eggulire lino okula ABS television.
The plans that we have this aerodrome upgraded is going to benefit the people of Kasese. One, those who have buildings around, they will get many people hiring their houses. There will be food for their market.